Vladislav was deep into gambling in Uzbekistan. He organized poker tournaments and frequently got into trouble for not being able to pay his debts. He argued with his wife, Alonya, a lot. Sometimes Vladislav wouldn't come home for 3 days at a time. Additionally, their daughter had health problems. Doctors advised them to travel to South Korea for treatment. While they were there, Vladislav got himself into the same gambling problems. Upon their return, their daughter's health had slightly improved, so they enrolled her into a local learning center. She loved coming to the learning center run by Adventists. The center is attached to an Adventist church building. One day, when picking up their daughter, Vladislav and Alonya met the pastor and his wife. They invited them over to share a meal. They did this for a few times, and the families developed a friendship. The pastor and his wife never pushed anything about religion on them. Vladislav and Alonya increasingly grew curious about Adventist, so they started visiting the church. They began coming more and more often, until eventually they accepted Jesus into their hearts and were baptized. Through God's grace, Vladislav stopped gambling, and his relationship with his wife is better than ever. The couple wants others who may be struggling to know that there is hope. Vladislav has found a unique way to connect with people within the community. Every week, he goes to the church and cooks for people to eat and socialize. Rice pilaf, known as plav in Uzbekistan, is a traditional and favorite food here. Vladislav makes it in huge batches to feed everyone. These community gatherings started with just a few people, but have grown to more than 150 people every Sunday. Friendships have developed, and other social activities are often planned over a plate of rice pilaf.
This is my dream with my wife, that more people come to church. It's our community. We want to share this blessing with people.
In our case, our life experience is the best preaching. Our testimony is better than any sermon.
If it wasn't for the Learning Center, Vladislav may have never developed this community that transformed his life. The Learning Center now has the opportunity to grow. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help expand the Learning Center into an elementary school. They will need new classrooms and materials to take on this next chapter. The school will be located in Tashkent, the capital of Uzbekistan. More than 2 million people live in this city, making it a huge opportunity. Please pray for this project so that others may find community and children will get a quality education. Thank you for supporting projects like this. Narek regularly greeted her neighbor, Anahit, in the mornings on her way to work. They would often stop to talk, and their friendship grew.
One day, my neighbor told me that a new cafe was opening. It was a healthy vegan cafe called Dr. Veggie. I was interested in it because I love living a healthy lifestyle. I work at a bank, and it was near the cafe. So every day I had lunch there.
This cafe in the center of Yerevan, Armenia, was run by Adventist as an urban center of influence. Narek knew that her neighbor was a Seventh-day Adventist, but she didn't really understand what that meant. Narek believed in Jesus, but had no interest in attending any churches.
I remember clearly the first time I went there. There was something good inside these people, a spiritual peace and calmness that I had never met in anyone else.
Narek started participating in the various activities the center offered. One of them was a trivia night about Bible topics. After the first night, she realized that there were so many things she didn't understand about the Bible, so she started reading more. Narek decided it would be best to visit the Adventist church to get some of her questions answered.
After attending church for about a year, I was invited to a healthy lifestyle camp. I decided to be baptized there, and it was the happiest day of my life.
Narek is so grateful for her neighbor Anahit and the people of the Dr. Veggie Cafe. Urban centers of influence, such as Dr. Veggie, can be a crucial bridge between the Adventist Church and its community. Yerevan is Armenia's largest city and capital, with more than 1 million people. 1/3 of the country's population lives here. As cities like Yerevan increasingly become one of the biggest mission challenges, Adventists have the opportunity to create meaningful connections with those around them. Unfortunately, it's expensive to do mission work in cities. The Dr. Veggie Cafe had to close its doors suddenly due to the high cost of rent. This loss is felt by the Adventists who run it, but even more so by the community members who had found it to be a fun, safe space to spend their time. Dr. Veggie has an opportunity to reopen, but they need your help. This quarter, a portion of your 13 Sabbath offering will help reestablish Dr. Veggie in a new, improved building. This will give them the opportunity to own the space and provide stability so they can focus on building relationships, such as the one they built with Narek. Please pray for the future of Dr. Veggie and the Adventists in Yerevan who have a passion for mission. Thank you for supporting this 13th Sabbath offering.